Today we'll be talking about what a calorie is and how we can track our basal metabolic rate and our caloric intake as well. So to start off the class, what is a calorie? When you hear something contains 100 calories, it's a way of describing how much energy your body could get from this by eating or drinking it. So if you really think about it, a calorie is a unit of energy. This is something that we need to know because we consume calories every day, and understanding what a calorie actually is will help us understand what our bodies can intake versus what it shouldn't. So, good calories come from your proteins, such as red meat, pork, chicken, with skin on, roasted or broiled, not deep fried for your health, salmon or other oily fish, beans, whole milk, eggs, cheese, and full fat yogurt. There are good calories in carbohydrates as well: potatoes, brown rice, whole grain pasta, whole grains, and whole grain breads. Now, as long as you're taking in a good amount of these things, you shouldn't overindulge. There are bad calories as well: processed food, sugar, refined flours, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Ice cream, candy bars, anything processed, meat, cheese, fast food meals, anything high calorie coffee drinks. Those would be considered your bad calories. If you have these things in your daily diet, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but you should not take more in than what you do from your good calories. So, if you look at the what a calorie is, we are going to actually go through what our basal metabolic rate is, which is a calculation of the number of calories our body needs to accomplish the most basic life-sustaining functions. So that is called our BMR. And then we'll find our caloric intake. So what is our ideal daily intake of calories, varying depending on age, metabolism, levels of activity, and among other things. The recommended daily caloric intake typically is 2,000 calories a day for women and 2,500 for men. So if you ever look on a food label, you will see that it is recommended along these guidelines. To start off, there are two different equations, one for women and one for men. So if you can see that there's a different breakdown of numbers versus height and weight and different things like that. So women, you will do the top equation. Men, you would do the bottom equation. Now to start, an example I have shown is a woman weighs 145 pounds. She's 5'3" tall and 18 years old, and she has moderate exercise daily. So if you look back at this equation, we're just filling in where each section says. So weight in pounds, height in inches, age in years. With that being said, her BMR of what her life sustaining on a normal basis would be is 1,497 calories are needed. A man who weighs 160 pounds, is 6 foot tall and 18 years old and has hard exercise. You plug those numbers into his equation, and he needs a little bit more, 1,922 calories. Now, the difference is the gender, obviously, but the weight and how tall they are and the amount of exercise that they put into their daily living style. So you have your basal metabolic rate number. You're going to have to keep that one around, and then you're going to find out your caloric intake. So for caloric intake, you take your basal metabolic rate that we just found, and you are going to look and tell us, do you have little or no exercise in your daily life? Light exercise where sports are 1 to 3 days a week, moderate exercise where sports are 3 to 5 days a week, hard exercise where sports are 6 to 7 days a week, or do you have a physical job and you have very hard exercise every single day? Each of these categories has a certain number that corresponds with your exercise intake. So think about what your intake would be. Typically, people will say moderate exercise 3 to 5 days a week, even if it's a bare minimum of 30 minutes of walking. And that's going to tell us what or how much you should be able to take in for your calorie intake each day. So take that basal metabolic number, multiply it by whichever category you see fit for yourself, and you will find how many calories you should have in one day. So the woman that was 145 pounds, we took her BMR of 1,497, and she said that she had moderate exercise, and she can intake 2,320 calories as long as she's doing her exercise the way that she sees herself exercising, and she can burn that off and not gain any weight from that. The man, he says that he had hard exercise, so he can take in a little more, and he can take in 3,316 calories in one day. You don't have to go to this ceiling. You can always be below this number, and you are always able to take in less as long as you're still putting in the correct nutrients into your body. So that's a little bit about the BMR and the caloric intake of what is expected for each person and how it varies within themselves.